Hey, hello. Welcome to my YouTube video. Today we're going to replace some broken Proto 2000 wheels. I've already put new ones in, so I'm just going to take the plates off to show you. So what you would do, hold on. What you would do is you would put the screwdriver underneath and push it forward or slide it off to the side. Like that. Maybe not fling the plate, but it'll work. And see, what you do is then you would take the wheels out, check and see if they have cracks. A majority, I have 3 of these engines. Every single wheel set had cracks in them because there's all the wheels that have cracks in them. You could buy the individual gears, but they're very hard to put on. So I would advise you to, if you do buy the gears, use a drill bit that is 3/32 and drill it out very slowly because it is just tiny. It's just a tiny bit bigger than the hole, so then you can make it fit easier with less of a chance to crack. So then after that, you'd put grease or whatever lubricant you use, cover the dish plate back up, then do it to this side. And there it is. And see, here, see, here's a wheel with a crack. Two of these sets are just the wheels, and 2 of them are just gears that are replaced. You could tell by the axles. One's dirty and one's clean. Anyway, let's get to the running track. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video and this tutorial.